Student, there is one more question on the same logic. Question is, R be a relation on the set Z for all integers defined by x comma y belongs to R. This implies that x minus y is divisible by n. Prove that the first part x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to Z. Second part x comma y belongs to R. This implies that y comma x also belongs to R for x, y, z. X, y belongs to z. Belongs to z. Then third part, x, y and y, z belongs to R. Implies that x comma z also belongs to R for all x, y, z belongs to z integers. Student, we will prove all the part one by one. So let's come. First part. Here x is a integer. So x minus x is what? It is 0. And we can write 0 divided by n. Also will be a 0. So this implies that x comma x belongs to R. Because statement is true here and this is proof. 0 can be written as 0 by 0 or 0 into n. Or we can write 0 into n also. This implies that 0 into n will be 0. And this here is true here. X minus x is divisible by x minus x is a 0 which is divisible by n. And in the second part, we will write some more language. Hence, x comma x belongs to R for every x belongs to Z. Second part, x comma y belongs to R. This implies that x minus z, x minus y is divisible by n, means n into some constant k, where k is a non-zero whole number, cannot be 0, and k is a whole number. Here n is an integer, belongs to z. So if x and y both are the integers, then difference of two integers will be a integer. If we take minus sign common, we will write x minus y minus x. Y minus x also will be a same integer. So this can be written as n into minus k. K is an integer. K is an integer. J. So y minus x, this implies that y minus x is also divisible by n. Yn. Hence, y comma x belongs to R. Therefore, if x comma y belongs to R, implies that y comma x also belongs to R for every x and y belongs to Z. Student, now see the third part. Given condition is x comma y belongs to R. This implies that x minus y is divisible by n. So let it is n into k. Here k is a integer. Then y minus z also belongs to R. This implies that y minus z is n into some another multiple, let p. Here p is also belongs to z. Now there are two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We will add them, adding. After adding, y cancel, we will get x minus z. Here n common and it is k plus p. K plus p will be the integer. Sum of two integer will be integer. Since k plus p also belongs to z. And we can write k plus p equal to let q. And it is belongs to z. So we can write n into q. And here q is also be an integer. Sum of two integer will be an integer. This implies that x comma z belongs to R. And the statement is this is proved. Student, hence if x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R, this implies that x comma z also belongs to R, and this is proved.